In this video, I'm going to be showing you how CheckMate has added an enhancement to support the Renishaw PH20 probe head, particularly with its flick mode. We've always been supporting the PH20 probe head as it was operating like a regular probe head, but we've recently added the ability for it to use its flick mode. So to do that, it's a two-step process. The first thing is to double click on a feature measurement and edit it, because the flick mode is controlled on a feature by feature basis. So you can, for some features, you can have it turned on, other features you can leave it turned off. So I'm just going to double click on my circle measurement to edit it. And when that screen comes up, you'll see on the sensor tab, there's a little checkbox down here that says flick mode with the PH20. Well, let's turn that on. Okay, so that feature will be using the flick mode. So let's say okay. I'm just going to leave it like that. And the second thing you have to do is go when you output a program. So let's go output program to a CMM. First of all, you want to select a CMM that supports the PH20. And then you need to toggle the PH20 switch over here just to the right of the CMM selection. You want to turn that on. And then once you've done that, you can go in and you can output the program. Let's just go and do that real quick. Okay, and if you look at the DEMAS code that we've done, there's a couple of things to notice. First of all, in the send select command, you can see we've got the head information, and then down where it's going down to take the actual hits inside that circle, you can see we've added this all access touch. So we have all the commands in here to make that PH20 go into the flicky mode. Now the only thing we don't have yet right now is the actual simulation of that. So if we go in and simulate this circle inner measurement, it'll just, in CheckMate, it'll just look like a normal circle measurement, but the DEMAS code is showing that it's using flick mode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.